My name is Colin Murphy. I'm the president and owner of Simmons Knife and Saw. We are a family-owned business. I'm the proud fourth-generation owner, and we are a manufacturer of industrial saw blades located in Glendale Heights, Illinois. So our whole solar journey started about a year ago when myself and another coworker attended a seminar about solar energy, and we were pleasantly shocked to learn about how affordable it was. It honestly sounded a little too good to be true at first. I would encourage you to act on it and act on it quickly. The government incentives that are out there are very significant. They turn this project into a very good ROI. The whole solar aspect started because we knew we had to replace the roof. We realized that if we use the roof as an integral portion of the solar array, then the roof would actually qualify for some of these government incentives as well. What I would tell other business owners who are contemplating solar energy, meet with several vendors. For us, Continental Electric was clearly the right vendor for us, just with their vast portfolio of solar projects that they have already done and are currently working on, and just seem to be the gold standard. This significant investment we made in solar energy is not just something that myself as the owner of Simmons should be proud of, but all of our stakeholders can be proud of. Our employees, our customers, and our vendors, because they know they're working for and doing business with somebody who really cares about our planet and wants to be a good citizen of planet Earth.